Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and today I'm going to do a flip cup on this wooden heart, and I got the back of it already taped off. So I am going to be using Artist Loft Light Magenta, the metallic purple, Liquitex Cobalt blue, Phalo Green, and titanium white. I'm not going to use any silicone in my cup or my paints. I'm just going to start off here with the white. Next I'll use the metallic purple, and I'm not layering it, I'm just putting it in the cup. And then we're going to use light magenta, the cobalt blue, and the phalo green. This didn't look like it would be quite enough, so I did another round starting with the white. So I got the cup ready, and we're just going to turn the heart over and flip our cup on there. Let it rest for a moment. Okay, about ready to pull the cup up. And there we go. Seeing a lot of phalo green in this. And give it a little tilt, try to stretch some of this. Still have a lot of phalo green on here. Love these colors together. Trying to wipe off some of the runoff from the underneath. And my gloves look amazing. Wish I could save that as a skin. So I let the painting rest for about 10 minutes, and this was the results. It does have a lot of beautiful lacing and some cells. I love this right here, but I'm not crazy about all the white. I love this purple. It's amazing how it laces like that. So I decided I wanted to get rid of some of the white and pull some of the other color up, and heating it up wasn't doing any good, so I used some parchment papers in little strips and just did swipes with it. And I like the effect. There's still a lot of white, still a lot of phalo green showing, but the other colors, when I swiped, it allowed them to pop up. So I'm thinking this is what it needed. So if you have enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, let me invite you to do so. If you ring the bell, you'll get notified when I upload future videos. And I want to thank you for watching this one. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.